Avalanche value equivalent to $38.69 and $17 a coin. The present exchanged cost range $36.50 to $89.40 The earlier day close $39.99 on 738. The change was 1.8021, 3.21%. Opposite rate ICE to Avax. Dollar to Avalanche estimate for August 2024. Before all else cost at 0.22 coins. Excessive costs are 22, while lows are 18. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 20. The ICE to Avax figure toward the month's end 0.19. Change for August 13.6%. ICE to Avax expectation for September 2024. To start with cost at 0.19 coins. Exorbitant costs are 19, while lows are 15. They found the middle value of cost 17. The ICE to Avax gauge toward the month's end 0.16. Change for September 15.8%. Dollar to Avalanche gauge for October 2024. At the outset cost at 0.16 coins. Excessive costs are 17, while lows are 15. They arrived at the midpoint of costs are 16. The ICE to Avax conjecture toward the month's end 0.16. Change for October 0%. ICE to Avax expectation for November 2024. To start with cost at 0.16 coins. Exorbitant costs are 16, while lows are 13. They found the middle value of cost 15. The ICE to Avax gauge toward the month's end 0.14. Change for November 12.5%. Dollar to Avalanche conjecture for December 2024. At the outset cost at 0.14 coins. Excessive costs are 14, while lows on 11. They arrived at the midpoint of costs are 13. The ICE to Avax conjecture toward the month's end 0.12. Change for December 14.3%. ICE to Avax expectation for January 2025. Initially cost at 0.12 coins. Excessive costs are 12, while lows mine 9. They arrived at the midpoint of costs on 11. The ICE to Avax figure toward the month's end 0.10. Change for January 16.7%. Dollar to Avalanche figure for February 2025. To start with cost at 0.10 coins. Exorbitant costs are 11, while lows might 9. They found the middle value of cost or 10. The ICE to Avax gauge toward the month's end 0.10. Change for February's 10%. ICE to Avax expectation for Walk 2025. In the first place cost at 0.10 coins. Exorbitant costs are 10, while lows meet 9. They found the middle value of cost are 10. The ICE to Avax gauge toward the month's end 0.10. Change for springs or 1%. Dollar to Avalanche estimate for April 2025. Before all else cost at 0.10 coins. Exorbitant costs are 10, while lows man 9. They found the middle value of cost are 10. The ICE to Avax gauge toward the month's end 0.10. Change for April 0%. ICE to Avax expectation for May 2025. At the outset cost at 0.10 coins. Excessive costs are 10, while lows end on 9. They arrived at the midpoint of costs are 10. The ICE to Avax estimate toward the month's end 0.9. Change for May 10%. Dollar to Avalanche estimate for June 2025. In the first place cost at 0.9 coins. Exorbitant cost are 10, while lows into 8. They found the middle value of cost to 9. The ICE to Avax gauge toward the month's ends mean 9. Change for June 0%. ICE to Avax expectation for July 2025. In the first place cost at 0.9 coins. Exorbitant costs were 10, while lows in 8. They found the middle value of cost up on 9. The ICE to Avax estimate toward the month's end 0.9. Change for July's end %. Dollar to Avalanche estimate for August 2025. Before all else cost at 0.9 coins. Exorbitant costs were 9, while lows on 8. They found the middle value of cost on 9. The ICE to Avax gauge toward the month's end 0.9. Change for August 0%. ICE to Avax expectation for September 2025. In the first place cost at 0.9 coins. Exorbitant costs are 9, while lows at 8. They found the middle value of cost to 9. The ICE to Avax gauge toward the month's end 0.8. Change for September 11.1%. Dollar to Avalanche estimate for October 2025. In the first place cost at 0.8 coins. Exorbitant costs are 8, while lows onto 7. They found the middle value of cost to 8. The ICE to Avax gauge toward the month's ends May 7. Change for October 12, 5%. As to Avax expectation for November 2025. In the first place, cost at 0.7 coins. Exorbitant costs to 9, while lows 97. They found the middle value of cost OMS 8. The US to Avax gauge toward the month's ends mon 9s. Change for November 28, 6%. Dollar to Avalanche estimate for December 2025. Before all else, cost at 0.9 coins. Excessive costs on 11, while lows to 9. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 0.10. The US to Avax conjecture toward the month's end 0.10. Change for December 11.1%. US to Avax expectation for January 2026. At the outset, cost at 0.10 coins. Excessive costs on 10, while lows tate. They arrived at the midpoint of cost on 9. The US to Avax conjecture toward the month's end 0.9. Change for January 10%. Dollar to Avalanche figure for February 2026. Initially cost at 0.9 coins. Excessive costs are 11, while lows under 9. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 10. The US to Avax figure toward the month's end 0.10. Change for February 11.1%. US to Avax expectation for Walk 2026. Initially cost at 0.10 coins. Excessive costs in 13, while lows on 10. They arrived at the midpoint of costs are 11. The US to Avax estimate toward the month's end 0.12. Change for spring 20%. Dollar to Avalanche estimate for April 2026. Before all else, cost at 0.12 coins. Excessive costs on 12, while lows are on 10. They arrived at the midpoint of costs on 11. The US to Avax figure toward the month's end 0.10. Change for April 16.7%. US to Avax expectation for May 2026. In the first place, cost at 0.10 coins. Exorbitant costs were 13, while lows are at 10. They found the middle value of cost 0.11. The US to Avax estimate toward the month's end 0.12. Change for May 20%. Dollar to Avalanche conjecture for June 2026. In the first place, cost at 0.12 coins. Exorbitant costs are 16, while lows are in 12. They found the middle value of cost in 14. The US to Avax gauge toward the month's end 0.15. Change for June 25%. US to Avax expectation for July 2026. In the first place, cost at 0.15 coins. Exorbitant cost 0.19, while lows on 15. They found the middle value of cost 0.17. The US to Avax gauge toward the month's end 0.17. Change for July 13.3%. Dollar to Avalanche estimate for August 2026. Initially cost at 0.17 coins. Excessive costs are 17, while lows earn 15. They arrived at the midpoint of costs 16. The US